Hey guys, welcome back to Samantha's Crazy Channel. And today I'm here with Dad.
Hey, I'm Dad.
And
Dad.
me, Samantha. So today we have, if you've seen our previous video, we made a giant batch of slime. So today we're back with 3 new slimes. I tried not to hit you.
Thank you.
So we have
I don't want to
chili slime, spaghetti slime, and mac and cheese slime. My dad is gonna zoom up on
These slimes claim to look and feel like the real thing.
So we're gonna test them out and see if these actually work, because these were in the clearance aisle. I wonder why. This is the mac and cheese slime. This picture of mac and cheese. It says looks and feels real right there. Slime. There's
Okay, what's next?
spaghetti slime. That spaghetti looks really good. Except I don't like sauce. It says looks and feels real.
Okay.
And then
What's
we have
next?
chili slime. It looks kind of like it's from Texas. Or like a cowboy place.
Alright, that looks kind of gross actually. Alright, which one we got to start with today?
Mac and cheese!
Alright, let's get this out of here.
Excuse me.
Got a bowl of mac and cheese. And there are no directions. Alright, so the rating on the box already has gone down. Let's up. Look, I just tore another little piece off.
Let me try it.
So we'll have to see if there's instructions on the inside for these, because it doesn't even say if you need additional ingredients to make this.
You probably need water.
We could do water, but if we need actual mac and cheese, that'd be a problem.
No, I literally see macs and cheese.
Alright, let's go get it open.
Hang on, it's not.
Get that open.
This box is probably cheaper than the slime.
Look how many pieces, it's got a little pull tab, but everything's like falling apart.
Look at this. This is only the pull tab. Open
I
it.
know that I want to see it. There's no instructions.
What the?
There's no instructions at all? Oh!
This is slime. You mixed the cheese in. This is so weird. This is
It
just.
already has slime. Oh, and the slime is not even completely sealed. It's in a Ziploc baggie. Oh, that just broke. I went to pull it apart and it broke. You get the noodles open. You get the noodles open. I'll get this open. I might have to go get a spoon so we can stir it up.
Mine broke too.
Oh no. Mine just broke again.
I just ripped it.
Here we go.
Oh. These
Those like real noodles? Are they plastic?
These are rubber.
They look like real noodles.
These are rubber. Dad.
They look like real noodles.
Oh, are we
Look.
making it on the table? Let's make it a
Let's do it. Here.
bowl.
Let's just turn this inside out.
I want to make it like real mac and cheese. I want to make it like I make my mac and cheese at Granny's house.
Oh, that was so lucky it landed in the bowl.
Ew!
That was so lucky.
Ew! Where did the extra cheese
That's
go? This?
That's it. So we gotta mix it. Should we get a spoon so it looks like we serving it?
In a minute. Ew, it's so gross. Ew.
Mix it all up. So this is taking a while to actually get all the macaroni to stick inside the slime.
Perfect.
The macaroni is okay.
That looks like.
So this is
That looks like a minion melted.
the macaroni is not. The plastic is really not sticking into the slime.
Yeah, and you know what that means? Time to move on to chili slime.
Yeah, let's move on to the next one. Go ahead and try to open that box. If it's as bad as this one,
it kind of worked.
we're going to have problems too.
It's on my hand.
Oh, you got slime on your hand? Okay. I'll keep mixing
I
that.
swear, if this is just brown slime and beans, I'm not gonna be happy.
Which one was that?
Chili.
Oh, chili.
It is better not just be brown.
It's gonna be just brown slime and chili.
Chili.
Just brown chili and slime. Chili slime with beans. Yeah, this is.
Just as I suspected, it has a bunch of beans.
Look
Look at this! Ew!
Beans and brown slime.
This is more red, like sriracha.
Alright. I'm really starting to think this is not going to fool anybody. It's just not. They keep coming. I think somebody sprayed these noodles with Pam because they do not stick inside the
I need
slime.
scissors.
Nope. Here, hold on. Wait, watch.
I opened it.
I was gonna say if you slide a Ziploc baggie, it opens.
Oh.
But this one,
So.
it's probably better the way you did it.
Yeah.
Maybe if we just let this sit for a little bit, the slime will cover the noodles.
Maybe.
Or maybe the noodles will sink down into the slime.
This is so funny.
We're gonna get close up to this in a minute, but
In a few minutes,
Wait.
actually.
yeah, these are like non-stick noodles.
I know, right?
And those are I'm betting that those are non-stick beans too.
They better not be.
I think they're probably non-stick beans.
If these are non-stick beans, I'm gonna be mad. Look at this. This slime is actually really nice. I like this.
Does it feel? Oh, it's not quite as sticky as the cheese slime. What do you think?
That wouldn't feel.
Noodles are still coming
It's not
out of
gonna
it.
fool anyone.
It's really not gonna pull anyone out of it.
Hang on, wait.
The beans?
These aren't squishy. These are hard.
Oh, well, so are the noodles. These are little plastic beans, though. These are little plastic beans. Show them to everybody.
So this is what it looks like before I mix it up. This actually
It
does look like.
looks like that.
But Dad! Dad!
Glad to see what it looks like. We'll just keep the plastic.
You're so messy. You're messier than me.
I'm just trying to get my mac and cheese right. That's all.
Dad, just leave it alone. Guys, look at that! Look at this! They're like a little wobbling around in there.
Oh, the beans are actually, there's actually a bubble in the slime with beans inside of it that are jumping around like a snow globe or something.
Bean. This one
That one actually
works.
is looking pretty good.
This one, if there was a lot more beans, this would look like chili. It feels like
I don't know, I think there's enough beans because they're already falling out. Let's put it in the bowl and then move to the next one.
It looks legit like
Get you a spoon in now.
poop chili.
Yeah.
Oh, that actually does
No.
kind of look like mac and cheese. Time for spaghetti slime. Rip.
Things just
This
keep,
box is really bad.
things just keep falling out of these things. I don't know. Even these chili beans falling out left and right. You gotta mix the noodles in. You
It's
just
red.
Sprinkle some meatballs on top.
There's no meatballs.
There's no meatballs.
No.
So it comes with
Dad, I just slapped it on the table and it opened.
comes with plastic noodles here. It says it is not intended to be eaten as food. Do not put in mouth. Do not put in mouth. That's the same color as the chili.
It is.
Maybe we should get a fork for this one instead of a spoon.
Right? Sometimes I eat spaghetti with spoon.
Oh, These noodles are actually kind of cool.
These are rubber. I'm gonna add them one at a time.
These are actually kind of cool.
I'm gonna add them one at a time. Just like,
Oh.
watch this. Ew.
These are actually.
I'm gonna add them
These
one
are
at a
so.
time.
These are so rubbery. Look, this is like they're kind of shaky, like a rubber worm, and they go. They actually stretch pretty far.
Dad, we have to get them all.
They actually stretch really far. Well, except there's no meatballs.
Yeah. There's no meatballs.
The spaghetti.
Too many noodles.
I'm impressed with the noodles, but we still need to get it mixed up before I'm actually really impressed that it's spaghetti and meat sauce.
Meat sauce. It doesn't mix well with a spoon. Gotta say that. Oh, you know what?
It actually, this kind of looks like it could be spaghetti sauce on top of some noodles.
Stretched out, and then now it actually does kind of look like spaghetti.
Okay.
But I'm not done.
I thought that they was getting to look like real spaghetti. Mac and cheese and chili, I don't know about
The chili actually looks really good.
Chili's not too bad.
I would eat that.
Chili is not too bad. The mac and cheese, we're having some issues. The best, I can't say any of them feel like the real thing.
This one kind of does.
Yeah, you ever squish your spaghetti like that in your hands?
Maybe.
Sometimes when you're eating, you're just like, and then you take a bite.
Feel it.
Oh, that's pretty gross.
My favorite is the spaghetti.
Let's show them all the final products first, and then you pick your favorite. Okay?
First is the chili.
Chili's not the first one we did, but that's first.
So,
Beans are
okay.
still falling out.
Beans still fall out.
Let's move on to the next one.
It's pretty cool.
That was pretty good.
All right, the next one, mac and cheese.
Nah.
Not the best. It's not the worst, but it's not the best. I mean,
No.
if there was more noodles, it would probably look real.
I don't know.
All right, and lastly, my favorite is this
Noodles aren't even covered with.
spaghetti.
That's a good one. That one looks the realest.
It feels like you're squishing noodles.
So that's your favorite?
If you buy this, I recommend buying the spaghetti one.
Alright, so in our opinion, the spaghetti was the best. The other two were just colored slime with some plastic pieces that kept falling out and never really incorporated into the slime.
But I still like them.
They're still pretty cool. Comment down below which one you think was the best.
And what is your favorite food that you'd love us to turn into slime?
Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe.
Turn on your post
Share.
notifications.
Post notifications. Tell in the comments down below. Tell us some video suggestions that you'd like us to do. So yeah, have a good day. I don't sound happy.
Bye.
Bye.